But as anyone who's studied with me will know, and anyone who's studied with Fleming will know, that the great mysterious solvent for these contradictions and splits and divisions in ourself is presence. I've often said, and sooner or later it starts to sink in for us, presence is not something we have, nor is it something we do. It is what we are. Ergo, to not be in touch with presence is to not be in touch with ourself. To not be in touch with presence is to not really be in touch with anybody else. It's why we can say, I love you, and it means nothing, because we're not here with the other person.